Ready to unlock the power of online payments and take your business to the next level? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to set up Stripe. First, head over to Stripe.com and click on the Start Now or Sign Up button to create your account. You'll need to provide a valid email address, create a secure password, and verify your email. Once your account is created, you'll be directed to the Stripe dashboard. Now it's time to activate your account by providing detailed business information such as your business type, legal name, address, and employer identification number. Next, fill in your personal details, including your name, date of birth, and home address. Don't worry, Stripe takes data privacy seriously and keeps your information secure. Now for the crucial step, connect your bank account. Provide your routing number and account number so Stripe can deposit your earnings. Be sure to double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues later. To integrate Stripe with your website or application, you'll need your API keys. These keys allow your platform to securely communicate with Stripe. For payment processing, you can find your API keys in the developer section of your Stripe dashboard. With Stripe set up, you're now ready to accept online payments, manage subscriptions, and access powerful tools to grow your business securely. Explore Stripe's features and documentation to customize your payment experience and optimize your business's success.